Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and today's video is going to be a packing video as I pack for our cruise on the Disney Wish. Now, I actually recorded the packing video before our cruise, and now I'm doing the intro after our cruise. I just wanted to explain, we're going on a 4-night cruise on the Disney Wish, and we're going to the Bahamas. And the thing that's really special is it's just me and my husband, Richard, going on this cruise, so no kids, which is totally different for us. Usually we have the kids, so we have a 14-year-old and an 11-year-old son. They're staying with my parents, so they're gonna be staying home with our dog Lucky, and my parents are watching them, which is so nice. And we are going on this cruise. So we are gonna have like more date nights. We've got some specialty dining reservations at Enchante and Palo. We're also gonna eat at California Grill the night before the cruise. When we're staying at Disney World, we're staying at the Disney's Polynesian Island Tower. I did record this video and I've got some shots of the actual outfits when I wore them. So I'll try to clip those in where I have them so you can see the outfit as I'm packing it, but then also see how it actually looked when I wore it. And then I did get a bunch of things before our cruise. So I have kind of like a pre-trip haul. I've got a lot of videos and content I recorded when we were on the cruise. So stay tuned for more Disney cruise content. But yeah, let's get to the packing video. So I do have a few things piled up that I've gotten over the last few months. So I'm just gonna show, it's kind of like a little haul. So there was a collaboration with Stoney Clover and Disney, and I was able to snag the little backpack and matching small pouch on the Disney World the Disney Store website. I'm definitely excited. This will be my little backpack casual if I need to carry more stuff. I honestly probably don't even need it, but I just want to use it so badly. And then I'll pack something in here. I don't know. And then I got this purse, I think from Madewell, and this is like for nights out. We're gonna have 2 fancy dinners on this cruise. So I wanted, I always forget about like the purse, and I know I don't really need a purse, but you know, I have my phone and just a couple things. So I'm excited to have that as like my fancy purse. And then for Christmas, my mom got me a bunch, several things from the Disney Lululemon collection collaboration that just came out. So one of the items she got me was the Lululemon red hip pack, the belt bag. So I'm super excited. So when I'm walking around the cruise, I feel like red is a perfect color for a cruise, like red and blues. So I'm so excited to wear that around the ship. And then I've got a couple other items I'll show you later from the Lululemon Disney that are clothes items. But then I also got some wet bags. There's also another one, a green color. And then this is like so important. Okay, everyone, listen up. So do you see how this charger, okay, we're gonna test this out, but I think the rules have recently changed and with what you can bring on board that's like a charger. And in the past, it's been you shouldn't bring something with like a surge protector on it. But they would sometimes allow, like we've had a different one of these that not only has these like USB plugs, but it also has like regular plugs. And that apparently has changed with a lot of cruises lately, different lines, that it's like a multi-plug or multi-port. It's not just, it doesn't just say surge protectors are bad. It says multi-plug. And so I was worried because I've heard they've actually started confiscating these more, and I don't want to bring something I'm not allowed to bring. So we had just gotten one that I loved that had the regular plugs, you know, for your stuff, but I think that would get confiscated and then you'd get it back at the end of the cruise. So this one I like because it has both the old and new types of USBs. That's how I refer to them, old and new, which makes Richard cringe every time because I always get the USBs confused. I think these are C and A. The little ones are C. So anyways, we have one that's just USB and it's supposed to be pretty fast. So I got that. Okay, that was a lot about a charger. Very important. I heard that from Tips for Travelers and I was like, oh my gosh, ours isn't gonna work. So I did get this sunscreen. I've used this one before and I think I've talked about this in a previous vlog, but basically when you go to like St. Thomas and Tortola, of course, there's rules about what can be in your sunscreen, and you'd think, okay, the reef safe ones are good. But actually, a lot of the companies in the US that do reef safe, there's some extra ingredients you're not allowed to have in your sunscreen in like St. Thomas. They're super strict about the sunscreen. And so, not that anyone's gonna check, but I just wanna follow the rules. And so this one here, that's made in Hawaii actually has that extra ingredient not in this. So it's like reef safe, but even better. And so it meets the criteria. And I got this one last time, and I think it has to do with like these active ingredients. So that's probably enough about sunscreen, but I am going to have this and I'll get a few extras because you don't really need this specific one the whole time, like when we're on the ship and I'm applying sunscreen, it's not as picky. Okay, very excited about this. Ooh, I probably need to charge it. Okay, do you see this fan? Okay, so it's really small, like my old fans, but my old fans just had like a button in the front, okay, to turn on and off. But this one has a slider. And if you watched our vlogs to Disneyland, our fan kept turning on accidentally because it didn't have a slider. It was just like a button and it would just turn on all the time. I need to charge this, but I'm very excited to have a fan with a slider. And it's still really small. Okay, Christine, my friend, got me this amazing clutch. So I'm definitely gonna have to wear this around the ship. I mean, just like going to dinner. And so I'm super excited to have this. So that is fun, that's new. And then last but not least, I've got these two things. So in our previous cruise, we actually did the clips, but I just feel like if you get clips for like 4 people, that's 8 clips, that actually takes up a lot more room than like 4 of these would. These are so small. And I just feel like they're less clunky. So I feel like they're less clunky. And I also feel like they'll work really well. Like they're going to be very noticeable on the chairs. So I want to give this a try. So I got these off Amazon for a trip. And so yeah, that's just a few of the things that are new, but I actually have a lot of clothes that are new as well. So I'm going to show you the clothes and shoes and stuff too. Okay, it's freak out time. It is so late. Oh my gosh, it's like almost 9:30, you guys. I don't know why I do this to myself. Okay, let me show you real quickly what I've gotten done because I need to keep moving here. Okay, so real quickly, I have 3 different cover-ups, and I kind of have this warm one because it has a hood. And so I like this because we are going in January, so it might be getting a little bit, cold. And but I think it should still be high of 70s, so it should be okay. I also have this rash guard from Castaway Cay, a crochet cover-up, and then this other like romper cover-up. Then I've got a lounge set from our previous Disney cruise that I could wear at night out on the deck. I've got both our Lululemon hats that we got for Christmas from my parents. And then I've got our magnetic hooks for the wall. I think I'll still bring my beach hat, but I'm thinking, should I just bring the Lululemon hat? I'm not sure. And then I've got sunscreen, and let's move these over here. Then I've got lots of swimsuits, which luckily they're really small because I cannot decide. I know I'm going to wear my new one-piece green one that I got from Left on Friday, but like the other ones, I'm just like bringing a bunch of bikinis and I'm just not sure which ones I'm going to wear. And then I have for outfits, if you think about it, we're there for 4 nights. So we have the arrival day, and then we have 3 full days where I need like casual outfits during the day. I have 4 dinners, and then I've got disembarkation day. So I have 5 outfits here. So I have 4 outfits for daytime. So it's like 1 extra. So I've got these linen shorts with like a black top. And then I've got these linen pants with a white top. That's number 2. The number 3 is this new one. I've got a white shirt and then this like long sleeve button down and shorts. They're like a matching set. And then the 4th one is a blue t-shirt with like these red gingham shorts. So that's 4 options. And then I think we'll get a beach bag. So I don't know if I need to bring this because we should get another beach bag. And then I'll probably just put the sunscreen in there. And then in here, I do have a couple of headbands. I know I want the Wish one because we're going on the Wish. And then I do have an Ariel one that I always feel like goes with cruising. So I could bring that. And then I've got my Build-A-Bear, not Build-A-Bear, like the build your own headband. So it has this. And I thought that the Daisy and Donald would be good. So, because like Donald has his like slide. I guess that's on the Aqua Duck though. I don't know. I just feel like ducks go with cruising, right? Then I have my disembarkation outfit. So this is a two-piece set from Varley, but it also has a pair of shorts that match it too. So if I want to lounge around on the ship, I could also wear this one. Then I've got some PJs and nightgowns, and then some medicine is in there. I already showed you these before. And then I've got my embarkation day outfit, which I wanted to wear my new Lululemon shorts and sweatshirt. So I'm going to wear these shorts and the Disney Lululemon sweatshirt. And then I thought this t-shirt kind of goes with it. So it's kind of a casual embarkation day, but it's like, hey, it's comfy. And I want to wear this because me and Richard both have Lululemon Disney sweatshirts, so we'll be matching. So I want us both to wear those on embarkation day and match for the picture. Then over here, I just have some miscellaneous stuff, which I already showed you, like charger, fan. I have these for like my bag, little just things I'll fill in there. And then here, I do have our typical C bands that we bring. And then I've got our Magic Band pluses, which we can use on the cruise, plus the little chargers and some sink suds that we can have if we need to clean something in our sink, like wash it. So that's all in there. And then this is like all my Disney jewelry. And then like wet bags. Okay. And then Lucky, can I have you move? Thank you. Thank you. Then we have 4 nights for dinner. So I got a bunch of new dresses. Actually, the first night we're going to be there, we're going to eat at California Grill at the Contemporary at Disney World. And so I have this like little short sleeve dress that kind of pulls in. It's short. So I thought I'd wear that to dinner the first night. And then when we're actually on the cruise, I've got this like fancy one shoulder, and it's like long on one side and then like sleeveless on the other, and it's long and has like a slit in the leg. So that's the fanciest. I'm gonna wear that to Enchante. And then I've got this one, which is like long sleeve mini dress that I can wear to Palo dinner. So those are like our 2 fancy dinners. And then the other dinner in the main dining room, I'm gonna wear this like crochet long maxi dress with spaghetti straps. And then the other dinner is at 1923. I'm hoping we'll dine at 1923. So we kind of have to fix our schedule when we get on board, because I don't know if it'll work out, like, because we have 2 dinners the second and third night, and I don't know what rotation they're gonna put us in. So I'm hoping to make sure we at least go to 1923. But I thought since it's the 20s, 1923, that I've heard people do sometimes we're like 20s themed. So I have this like dress. Then I do have, this is for like in the room, we like snap it together and it's like a little tray. These are our magnets. This is stuff I'm not bringing. And yeah, I guess I'll show you the shoes. So I'm going to bring 1 pair to like wear around my Birkenstocks. This will be like my flip-flops. And then I've got my fancy shoes. Like, so these are like the more casual, like crochet outfit. And this would be like the fancier outfits. I'd wear these. Then I already showed you, I'm going to bring these bags. And then I've got my Redskins sweatshirt because it's really old. So it's before it switched to the Commanders. So I'm bringing that for the plane ride with some leggings and a t-shirt. So that's what I'm going to wear when we get there. We're going to go straight to a bar and watch the game. So that's what I'll wear on the plane. and to get to like when we first get there, and then I'll change into the dress before dinner. So I still haven't packed my bag that I'm carrying on, but it's going to go in here as usual, the Away Everywhere bag or everything bag. And I do have my new headphones that I love that are Sony. So I'm going to have those and my Kindle, and that's basically all I need. And maybe my tablet, but pretty much I'm just going to be reading. And so I just want to have my headphones, Kindle, tablet, and then I need to pack like all of our chargers and stuff. So I've got a bunch of these that I love. They go onto the back of your phone magnetically with like the Apple phones because they have MagSafe. And so I have a MagSafe case, and then this just goes onto the back and charges it. So I'm going to bring a bunch of those. But yeah, I have to pack my toiletries. Oh, and I've got a bunch of cash. So like I have a ton of ones in here, and then 20s, 10s, 5s, and that'll be for our tips. So yeah, this is the reject pile, all the clothes I'm not packing. And here's our suitcases, so got to get those in. All right, I've laid out all of the boys' clothes. So I'm going to say good night now because I need to focus and get this done. But I think you've seen the majority of it, and hopefully that just helped as you're planning for your cruise. But stay tuned for cruise vlogs and wish us safe travels. We're heading out tomorrow. And yeah, just stay tuned for more Disney videos. Thanks, everybody.